Hi everyone, my name is Alex. Today I'm going to be trying the eqqualberry Bakuchiol plumping serum. This product retails for $25. I've seen this product all over my social media and I'm very excited to be trying it. I've seen people advertising this product for pores, for pore reduction, clearing out pores, and also it describes itself as a plumping serum. Bakuchiol has had some antioxidant properties. There was studies at some point that said it was a retinol alternative. That is still fairly new research from what I have seen. I personally haven't seen any of those results with it, but I am excited because this seems to have some great ingredients in here. I'm kind of going into this with no prior knowledge of it. I'm just wanting to see how it feels and how it performs for myself before I do too much research on this product, because I don't want my opinion to sway any. I just want to feel it, try it for myself, see what I notice, because I'm not sure if there are pore minimizing ingredients in here, pretty much meaning that it cleans out your pores. I'm not sure. We will just see about that. This product is vegan, cruelty-free, alcohol-free, and comes in recyclable packaging. They have added fragrance in here and some essential oils. Just be mindful if you are sensitive. I personally can use it. Big things I'm going to be looking for include what results do I see with it. I am not the best to testify for anti-aging. I would recommend following creators who more suit that skin concern to talk about it, because even though I do like to be preventative, I'm not the best to testify for those results. I do want to see though if there are any pore benefits or if I notice anything new with my acne. I also want to see if this product causes any sensitivity and what I notice with it. As for anything else, we'll be continuing to do check-in. So I will see you all in the next check-in. I'm here to give you all a quick check-in and also my first impression with this serum. This is a nice bottle. This feels really good. I have seen so many people talking about this. This has an interesting texture. It's like I can see particles in it. It's kind of cool. Okay, let's see how it feels. Feels like it's going to be, okay, there are particles in it. Is that supposed to be there? Is this supposed to happen? It's blending in nice, but I do feel like small little like texture to it. Like it's not bad. It kind of just feels like the serum is encapsulated in like a little ball or something. I don't know, but I definitely feel a little bit of texture. It feels nice and moisturizing. Oh, wow. Okay, well, there is the fragrance. They loaded this down. They really loaded this down with fragrance. I mean, it's okay. Like, I feel like there's a stigma behind fragrance, like not necessarily a bad thing, just something to keep in mind and something to avoid if you're sensitive. Yeah, I feel just like a little bit of, it's like little balls of product. I'm not sure. There's definitely a little bit of texture to this. Oh my gosh. It is so bad smelling. Like the fragrance is potent, but it is kind of calming down as it rubs into my face. Very lightweight serum. I'd recommend, if you are able to tolerate the fragrance, going in pretty close to your, experiencing just a little bit of sensitivity. Okay, I'm pretty close in after your cleansing step. I didn't finish that sentence. This is, I'm experiencing just a little bit of tingling, like, and I don't think there's an active in here that would cause that. A little bit of sensitivity. I don't know. Recently, I've been questioning if I'm developing a slight sensitivity to fragrance, because there have been sometimes I've been reviewing some products and I experienced sensitivity. It could also just be the formulation, but it's calming down. Like you're kind of seeing my redness is calming down. I have reactive skin, but I was experiencing just a little bit of sensitivity to that. It feels nice. It blends in practically immediately. It doesn't really give any shine or any abnormal finish. The fragrance is lingering slightly, not my favorite, but definitely feels nice. I like the feel of it. Wish they didn't include the fragrance. I'm not sure if that's what's causing sensitivity. If I keep experiencing that, then I'm gonna have to discontinue use. I like the feel, so I'm hopeful for this product. It is best-selling. I don't know, this is just proof that just because a product has a label on it that says best-selling, it doesn't mean that it's going to work for you. So I don't know. I'm gonna continue using it, going into this with an open mind, but if I keep experiencing sensitivity, then I'm gonna have to discontinue use of this product. I'm back to give you all my final thoughts on this product. Hydrating serum, I feel like it did amazing at that. Some of the claims of this product I feel like are a little bit of a stretch. Not sure if it's because I just used it for a couple of weeks or if it's just the marketing claims of this serum. I've seen a lot of people talking about the benefits of this product as well, so I kind of want to dive into that. I was mainly going into this review looking for the pore benefits because that is something they are advertising on their website. They're saying this is supposed to help clear out your pores and help reduce some acne. I don't necessarily think it was the best serum at doing that. They claim that it is a plumping serum, and some of the claims of this product kind of go along the studies of Bakuchiol is a great alternative to retinoids. And the thing is, I'm able to use retinoids. I have found way better benefits from them. There are studies that are saying it could be a potential alternative, but Bakuchiol has not really shown many benefits with me, at least with that style of stuff, at least with how my skin is currently. So with that being said, I definitely recommend following skincare experts and people who are certified to talk about that. With my experience, however, I noticed this serum to just be a beautiful hydration serum, which is one of the claims. So it does well if that is the main standout point that you're looking for with this product. I felt like it was a beautiful base layer to other serums to follow because it was more lightweight. It packed a punch when it came to hydration, specifically internal hydration, but still it did give a nice light dewy finish in a lightweight form. And I feel like the best claim of this product is the hydration benefits. However, where they lose me, the fragrance was just inconvenient to me. It kind of gave me a headache, kind of made me not like this product because it did last on my skin a pretty long time. That is personal preference though. I do know if you are sensitive to fragrance, definitely avoid this product. This is loaded. I also experienced some sensitivity with it initially. That did calm down, but I looked over the ingredients. I've been hit or miss with bergamot oil. That's something that has caused some sensitivity to me in the past. Not something that I love in this formula because I have had sensitivity to that specific essential oil. And so if you know you're sensitive, there is a potential where you could have sensitivity, then I would recommend not going for this product. I feel like with the hydration benefits, there are just so many serums on the market that I would recommend going for over this one. Experiment Super Saturated Serum comes to mind. There's also Prequel's Multi-Quench. Those are a couple of hydration serums that just really stand out to me. Don't get me wrong, they have great ingredients in here, and I feel like there is potential for this formula to be a great anti-aging product. I am not the best to testify for that. Definitely check out creators who are better suited to talk about those benefits. With me though, hydration, I saw great results with. However, the pore benefits, some of the benefits of this product, I am iffy about because I didn't see any differences with that when using this product. And even looking over the ingredients, I'm not really seeing anything that I feel like would be delivering the amount of results they are claiming with this product. And I've also, I think I have been ruined on this product a little bit because I did look up some reviews. People will say anything. Like, I'm noticing, I'm not calling anyone out, but people will say a product is supposed to do something when it doesn't actually do that, and not to discredit the claims of this product. If the fragrance wasn't a deal breaker for me, meaning I just experienced a headache and it just wasn't a pleasant experience, then I would use this product longer to testify for those benefits. Where I saw it to be most beneficial and where I feel like your money is best spent with this product is if you invest in it from a hydration standpoint. You're looking for a new hydrating serum, you've tried a few on the market. I still feel like there are better options, but they do still have great ingredients in here, and the formula definitely would back itself up for an anti-aging product and also a good hydration serum. I just remember, and I'm a little bit more hypercritical of some more trending skincare. I have fallen victim to the snail mucin was exfoliating trend. There's been so many things go on social media, and I'm kind of seeing that happen with this product, and I'm not sure. Bakuchiol is a great ingredient. I know from my personal benefits, I just haven't seen the amount of results that people are claiming with it. And so that's kind of where I stand with this product. I don't feel like some of the claims best suit it. I feel like that hydration and plumping the skin, potentially anti-aging, would be the main selling point of this product. They have some great skin barrier supporting ingredients in here as well that I feel like would be good for a compromised skin barrier. But ultimately, I wouldn't necessarily recommend fragrance if you have a compromised skin barrier or you're sensitive. That's just your own personal skin and knowing it. But I personally myself, when my skin's stressed out, I'm not going for fragrance heavy skincare, and this definitely is. So the Experiment Beauty Super Saturated or the Prequel Multi Quench are great hydration serums that are fragrance free if you're looking for those alternatives, but I just don't feel like this is best addressed as a pore serum. I didn't see many of those benefits with it, and so I feel like where this is going to be really worth it is if you're looking for a new hydration serum. But anyway, thank you all so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it and you want to see more like this, make sure you subscribe because I post new videos every week, and I will see you all in the next review.